Google search Cracku free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest CAT mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your all-India performance. Click on the solution to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello everyone, welcome to Cracku video series. So as we know, the CAT 2022 exam is expected to be held in November. Now we are at the end of March. So roughly there are 8 months for the CAT exam. So most of the aspirants have many questions regarding the CAT preparation. Like how to start my preparation, or which is the best resource to prepare and where I can find it. So these type of questions are arriving from many CAT aspirants. So if you are a CAT aspirant and want to prepare for CAT by yourself, so don't worry guys, you are in the right place. In this video, we will discuss how to start preparing for CAT by self-study. So let's get into it. Yes, if you are a fresher for the CAT exam, we need to inform that this is the exam pattern based on CAT 2021. From the year of 2020 to 2021, the exam pattern is changed due to the COVID pandemic. So this year, we expected that the exam pattern will remain same, so don't worry about that. And the exam duration is 2 hours, for each section 40 minutes. So this is the CAT exam pattern based on CAT 2021. In the CAT exam, there will be 3 sections. The first section is verbal ability and reading comprehension, and there will be 24 questions in this section. And this is the second section, data interpretation and logical reasoning. In this section, there will be 20 questions, and the last section called quantitative ability. So in this section, there will be 22. So total 66 questions will be given in the CAT exam. So this is all about the CAT exam pattern. Yeah, self-study plan for CAT 2022. So if you are a fresher or a repeater for the CAT exam, the study plan will help you to crack the exam. In this self-study plan, there will be 2 phases. So let us see each phase in detail. So coming to the first phase of study plan, we highly recommend the aspirants to cover all the basics from all the sections, because the basics will play a crucial role in solving the questions in the CAT exam. Most of the students neglect the basics and directly go through the problems. It is the most terrible mistake that many aspirants commonly make during the preparation. Suppose you are solving a question from quant section. You just read the question and understand it, but you didn't recall the process of solving or the formulas for that particular question during the preparation. Hence, you will definitely stop at the beginning of the question, even if you feel that you are familiar with that type of question. Hence, you need to be very thorough with the basics and practice enough questions in this base. And the second task is to understand the weakness and the strengths from all the sections and spend as much as possible time on the weak areas. You can understand your strength and weaknesses by taking mock tests and analyzing it thoroughly. We recommend the aspirants try to solve a large number of problems to reinforce the concept they have learned earlier. To get mocks for practicing, we will provide you with an amazing package of CAT 2022 course with 15 national level CAT mocks with video solutions. Apart from that, we will also provide you with 1000 plus concept videos. You can watch those videos that cover the entire syllabus and are very helpful to improve the basics. While watching every video, take notes to remember the basics of concepts and tricks to solve the problem. So this is about the phase 1. So now let's get into the phase 2. So coming to the phase 2, this is the testing phase. In this phase, the aspirants have to take a lot of mocks to test themselves. Taking more mocks will help you understand your mistakes while taking a test. The selection of questions is also an essential task during the examination. This skill helps you to manage the time during the examination. It can be improved by taking more number of mocks. And also the immediate task after taking every mock is to analyze it thoroughly. Analyzing is nothing but identify the areas that triggers you to consume more time to solve and list out them. You have to allot time for preparing those areas. While practicing, try to maintain the balance among the 3 sections, and also do not wait until the completion of the syllabus to give a mock. Start giving mocks simultaneously while you are preparing. So this is about the phase 2. Here is the section wise study plan for 8 months, that is from April. Before going to the section wise study plan, the aspirants have to remember one thing, that most of the aspirants will start their preparation with their favorite sections or manageable sections and focus more on those sections during the preparation. So let's say there is a person preparing for the CAT exam. So he started his preparation with his favorite sections. Let's take an example of the DILR section and VARC section. So these two are the favorite section of the person. After spending more than enough time on those sections, he started focusing on the quant section. He realizes that there is no enough time to complete the syllabus because quant section is one of the big rocks for this person comparing to the DILR and VARC sections. So this is what the imbalance in the sections, which is the terrible mistake made by many aspirants. So try to balance all the sections. So now let us see the section wise study plan. Here in every section there is a unique trick to crack that particular section. So let us get into the section wise study plan in detail. Study plan for VARC, verbal ability and reading comprehension. As I said before, the unique trick in this section is reading. Some of the people don't have the habit of reading. They always prefer to watch or to listen instead of reading. If you are that kind of a person, it is one of the drawbacks for you to crack this section. But don't worry, here we suggest you an idea to improve your reading ability. The trick is to start with reading whatever you are interested in, such as novels, magazines, blogs, etc. Try to spend at least 1 hour every day on reading. This process will definitely help you to improve your reading ability. And in the initial days of your preparation, solve at least 1 RC every day. Read the complete paragraph thoroughly until you understand. Avoid speed reading, skimming, surfing and other such gimmicky techniques. We are also providing you with concept videos for all the sections in our CAT 2022 course. You can enroll to it and try to complete the concept videos in 1 to 2 months. And also spend some time on verbal ability concept where you don't have confidence, and do not spend too much time on it. You can follow the schedule for the preparation of VARC section in the next slide. Depending on the time available during the day, you can adjust the schedule based on your strengths and weakness. So these are the topics in VARC. For reading comprehensions, try to spend at least 14 to 15 days. For para summary, 18 to 10 days. And para jumbles, try to spend at least 8 to 10 days. Similarly, for the odd sentence out, try to spend 8 to 10 days. So this is about the preparation schedule for VARC topics. You can reschedule as per your strengths and weakness. This is the study plan for CAT DILR section, data interpretation and logical reasoning. As mentioned in the study plan for VARC, the same trick will also work to crack this section. So this is the unique trick. Here you need to practice the different problems from different concepts. Try to solve 2 sets every day. That is 1 set from data interpretations and 1 set from logical reasoning. As we know, CAT has moved to more logic based sets. Practice more on logical reasoning based sets. Even the DI based sets are logic intensive rather than the calculations. In this section, the unique trick is to solve puzzles. Try to solve more number of puzzles. And these are the DILR topics that includes arrangements. Try to spend 4 days for this topic. For puzzles, try to spend 4 days. Networks, LR based on picking coins, try to spend 6 days. So for games, tournaments, scheduling, blood relations, family trees, etc., try to spend these amount of days for preparation. These are the data interpretation topics that includes bar graphs, line charts, pie charts, unconventional charts. So these are the main topics. Try to spend 15 to 16 days on these topics. For the tables, try to spend 5 days. For the Venn diagrams, try to spend 5 days. And for the other topics, try to spend 10 days. So this is about the DILR study plan. This is the study plan for quantitative ability. So in this section, the unique trick is to focus more on quant basics. The quant basics will play a crucial role in this section. The aspirants must spend at least 1 to 2 months learning the quant basics. Most of the candidates will neglect to view the quant basics during the preparation. Instead, they will directly move on to solving the problems without having strong knowledge of quant basics. This is the common mistakes made by many aspirants. Meanwhile, there is a possibility that candidates may forget the concepts they have learned in this process. So it is essential to allocate some time for refreshing the concepts on a regular basis. Most of the aspirants make a common mistakes by spending too much time on a single topic. We recommend that you practice a few examples on a topic, then move on to the next topic. Do not spend too much time on a single topic. You can follow the study schedule for preparing the quantitative ability section in the next slide. You can also customize the schedule according to your strength and weakness in this section. This is the study schedule for quantitative ability topics. So these are the topics: number system. Try to spend 5 to 6 days on this topic, and also the topics like ratio and proportions, percentages, averages, allegations, profit, loss and discounts. For these topics, try to spend 14 to 15 days. And for simple interest and compound interest, try to spend 2 to 3 days. For time, speed and distance, try to spend 4 to 5 days. Similarly, for the time and work, linear equations, quadratic equations, inequalities, logarithms and functions, try to spend these many days for each topic. And also the topics including progressions and series, surds and indices, geometry and mensuration, basic trigonometry, coordinate geometry. So these are the topics and these are the number of days to spend for preparation. And also customize the study plan as per your comfort. So here is the study schedule with a detailed month-wise study plan that can help the aspirants to prepare well. Try to complete all the 3 sections within 3 to 4 months from April to June or July. In the month of July, revise the concepts, practice and take 1 mock per week. And in August, take sectional test and 1 mock per week. In September, take 2 mocks per week and note down the mistakes and work on them before the next mock. In the month of October, you can take 2 to 3 mocks per week. Pick a strategy that suits you the most. Having a strategy of preparation is very important for the CAT aspirants. You can test your strategy on your mocks and revise the concepts. So this is the daily routine plan for CAT self-study. So the daily routine plan depends on whether you are a college student or a working professional or whether you have taken a drop. This is a broad schedule you can follow. Also, you can customize the schedule as per your comfort. So these are the daily routine plan from Monday to Saturday. Watch the concept video, spend around 2 to 3 hours on understanding your weak areas. Try to read regularly whatever you like. It can be your favorite novels also. Try to spend 30 minutes to 1 hour daily reading diverse articles to improve your reading ability. Try to spend 30 minutes on solving puzzles like Sudoku and doing basic mental math calculations. So this is the daily routine plan for CAT self-study. So on Sundays, you can take concept tests. Overall, try to allocate around 2 to 3 hours for preparation during the weekdays and more time on weekends. Customize your schedule that balances all the sections and make sure to allocate more time to work on weak areas. So this is all about the daily routine plan. These are some of the key points to keep in mind during the self-study. It is important to have a good peer group during your preparation. It keeps you motivated and it will also be helpful in discussing various concepts, tests, taking strategies, etc. Balance your speed and accuracy. This is the most important point to remember during the exam. Suppose you solved a problem in a section accurately, but you consume more time for that particular question. Here your accuracy is great, but the speed is low. You have to balance both the speed and accuracy during the exam. So similarly, you have to maintain the accuracy in accordance with the speed. Prepare for MBA and not just for CAT. This point will help you during the interviews if you have the knowledge about current affairs. Hence, develop a habit of reading the newspaper regularly and prepare yourself mentally. Cracking the CAT exam requires discipline, and especially once you started taking mocks, there can be a lot of fluctuations during your preparation. There will be a good day and also there will be a bad day. The key is to stay motivated during this period, to not give up your study flow. And the next point is take enough breaks. Make sure not to get overly stressed. It's important to take breaks during your preparation and allot some time for your hobby. Try to focus on your overall personal growth during your preparation. This will also be helpful during your interviews. So this is the best time to start the preparation for CAT 2022. So we will start the new batch of April month for CAT coaching on April 4th, 2022. So in this batch, we will provide you with a complete comprehensive course for CAT 2022. Covers all the topics from basics to advanced. 1000 plus excellent videos, including the sectional videos, day-wise schedule and doubt solving. You will be getting 15 national level CAT mocks with video solutions and detailed analysis. Also, we will additionally provide you with 3 free mocks. and also we will provide you with detailed mock analysis and solutions with percentile, and also more than 16,000 solved questions, 100 plus concept notes and solved example sets, and finally we will provide you with 25 plus CAT previous papers with detailed solutions. You can enroll for this CAT 2022 batch by visiting the link which is provided in the description. So please check it out, and thank you so much guys, and all the best.